Hey guys, Paul here. Organizing our passwords takes a lot of effort and discipline. So lately, password managers are becoming really popular. A couple of the good ones are KeePass and LastPass. However, you're using a third party when you go with a password manager. And, these sites can get hacked into. For my research, what I've been reading is that experts in the field of security will just manually set passwords for sensitive applications like banking or finance and use a password manager for things like social media. So for social media and non-sensitive applications, you may want to check out using a password manager. Now, Linux and Microsoft both offer file encryption tools. In Linux, the GPG command can encrypt folders and files, and Microsoft's EFS command, by right-clicking on a file or a folder, gives you the option to encrypt files as well. However, with Microsoft, unless you have the professional edition of Windows 7, 8, or 10, the Home Edition does not offer EFS, which is a real bummer. And plus, it's nice to have encryption that's operating system agnostic, meaning that you can open this encrypted file no matter what operating system you're on. So after doing a little further research, I've checked out LibreOffice, and LibreOffice is an open office suite. I've been using this for years. It's the open source alternative to Microsoft Windows, to Microsoft Office Suite. And LibreOffice is feature-packed. It's awesome. LibreOffice encrypts files using AES, or the Advanced Encryption Standard, using SHA, or the Secure Hash Algorithm, in 256-bit. Now this is professional grade encryption. Same encryption used by government agencies. And this is what I propose how to set up file in LibreOffice Writer. Set up a main password, 8 characters minimum, small uppercase, numbers, and special characters. And then for each of your applications like email, banking, insurance, or social media, append a letter or number to that main password for each application. Now here in the example here you can see I've got an A, B, and C for email, bank, insurance. And what you would do is just append, say, an A to the main password for your email, B for bank, C for insurance. Now when you save this file, you're going to be saving as an OTD, or Open Document Text File. That is the file type saved in OpenOffice. You cannot save this file with a password like as a text file or as a PDF. You have to save it as an ODT file. That's only going to open in an OpenOffice. Now I have a red arrow here pointing to the Save with Password checkbox. So after you name your file and name it something other than password, for example, click that Save with Password checkbox. And a dialog box is going to pop up for you to enter your password. Now again, enter a very strong 8-character minimum password. You are going to be saving this password in your files. This is the password that you're going to use to access your password page that you are encrypting here. And then click OK to save that. Now, you can upload this ODT file in the cloud, like to Google Drive, for example, or perhaps Dropbox or iCloud. But realize that it will be in the cloud, and that may have some vulnerability or risk. However, it is encrypted, password protected. So as long as nobody hacks into your Google account, for example, or Dropbox account, it should be pretty safe and for downloading this file for future reference. Now here I've got the file stored locally on my computer, and when you click on the file you'll be prompted to enter a password. And in the example here, I'm entering an incorrect password to show the password is incorrect. The file cannot be opened. Entering the correct password, you're able to access your file. And you can go back and edit the file for new logins, for new accounts, or even if you want to change the password. When you edit this file and save it, that AES encryption is maintained, which is really cool. You can go back and you can save this file. Now, just to show here the actual technical side of this encryption, here I've opened the manifest.xml file from this ODT file. Now you can do this through opening the file through an archive manager. I'm just pointing some arrows here to where it's pointed out the advanced encryption standard 256-bit and the secure hash algorithm 256-bit. Drop comments below if you think this is a cool way to go for managing your own password management, doing it yourself, having full control over this password management encryption, keeping your files safe, keeping your application safe. Hey guys, subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys real soon.